What if something sitting in your kitchen right now could activate powerful anti-cancer defenses inside your body? Not a drug, not a supplement, just vegetables. But here's the shocking part. Medical research shows that when you chop certain vegetables, they release compounds that can help damaged cells self-destruct, support your body's detox pathways, and in lab settings, even slow the growth of cancer cells. Yet most people are destroying up to 70% of these compounds just by cooking them the wrong way. And the number one vegetable on this list? It's tiny, almost invisible in grocery stores, but contains up to 100 times more of a key anti-cancer compound than broccoli. Stay until the end, because how you prepare these vegetables matters just as much as eating them. The science. Explanation. These vegetables all belong to one powerful plant family, the Brassicaceae family, also known as cruciferous vegetables. Inside them are natural compounds called glucosinolates. On their own, they're inactive. But when you chop, chew, or crush these vegetables, something incredible happens. An enzyme called myrosinase converts glucosinolates into biologically active compounds like sulforaphane, indole 3-carbinol, phenethyl isothiocyanate, PEITC. And these are the compounds scientists have been studying extensively. In laboratory and animal studies, they've been shown to support apoptosis, which programs cell death of damaged cells, help regulate cell division cycles, activate phase 2 detoxification enzymes in the liver, reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Large population studies have also found that people who consume more cruciferous vegetables often show a lower risk of certain cancers, including lung, colorectal, and breast cancers. Now, important note, these are not cures, and human outcomes depend on many factors. But the biological mechanisms, they are real, and they are powerful. The top 10 countdown. Let's break down the top 10, starting from number 10. Number 10. Mustard greens. Spicy, peppery, often overlooked. Mustard greens are loaded with glucosinolates that convert into isothiocyanates. Lab research suggests these compounds can help trigger apoptosis in abnormal cells, reduce oxidative stress markers, support detox enzyme activity. Their sharp taste? That's actually a signal of their chemical potency. Number 9. Bok choy, mild in flavor, but biochemically active. Bok choy contains compounds linked to activation of antioxidant pathways, reduction of inflammation markers, support for cellular protection mechanisms. Epidemiological studies in Asian populations, where bok choy is commonly consumed, have shown associations with lower cancer risk. Number 8. Arugula. Peppery leaves with surprising power. Arugula contains glucosinolates that convert into sulforaphane-like compounds. In lab studies, yes, these compounds have been shown to influence cancer cell signaling pathways, help protect normal cells from oxidative stress, support detoxification enzymes. It's one of the easiest additions to salads, and one of the most underrated. Number 7. Watercress, small leaves. Massive impact. Watercress is rich in PEITC, phenethyl isothiocyanate. Research suggests PEITC may help neutralize carcinogens before they damage DNA, reduce DNA damage markers in humans, interfere with cancer cell development in lab models. In one human study, participants who consumed watercress daily showed measurable reductions in DNA damage. That's rare and significant. Number 6. Kale. The dark leafy green that became a global superfood. Kale contains glucosinolates, carotenoids, flavonoids. Together, these compounds support antioxidant defenses, detoxification pathways, cellular protection mechanisms. Lab research shows kale extracts can influence cancer cell growth, but its real strength is in long-term dietary patterns. Number 5. Cabbage, one of the most accessible and powerful. Cabbage contains glucosinolates that convert into cancer-fighting compounds when chopped or chewed. Studies suggest these compounds may support apoptosis, slow abnormal cell growth, reduce inflammation. But here's something most people miss. Purple cabbage may be even more powerful. Its deep color comes from anthocyanins, potent antioxidants linked to DNA protection, reduced oxidative stress, anti-inflammatory effects. So while green cabbage is powerful, purple cabbage adds another layer of defense. Number 4. Cauliflower, neutral taste. Strong chemistry. Cauliflower contains compounds that have been studied for their ability to support detox enzyme activity, influence cancer-related signaling pathways, reduce oxidative stress. Its versatility makes it easy to eat more of, which is key for long-term benefit. Number 3. Brussels sprouts. Small, dense, and extremely concentrated. Brussels sprouts are rich in glucosinolates and fiber. Research suggests they may support liver detox pathways, help regulate cell growth, promote apoptosis in lab studies. Their compact structure means higher concentration per bite. Number 2. Broccoli, the most studied cruciferous vegetable. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, one of the most researched plant compounds. Scientific studies have shown sulforaphane can activate antioxidant genes, like NRF2 pathway, support detoxification enzymes, influence cancer cell survival in lab models. This is why broccoli is often called a functional food. But it's not the most powerful source. The most powerful vegetable is, number 1, broccoli sprouts. This is the game changer. Broccoli sprouts, just 3 to 5 days old, contain up to 20 to 100 times more sulforaphane precursors than mature broccoli. That's not hype. That's measured in lab analysis. Studies have shown broccoli sprouts can strongly activate detox enzymes, reduce oxidative stress markers, support cellular defense systems. In some human trials, they've even been linked to reduced inflammation, enhanced detoxification of pollutants. They are small, but biologically intense. Now that we have covered the top 10 powerful cancer-fighting vegetables, let's talk about the critical mistake most people make while preparing these vegetables. Most people are unknowingly destroying the compounds that fight cancer and eat them wrong. Sulforaphane depends on one fragile enzyme, myrosinase, and heat can destroy it. Boiling cruciferous vegetables can reduce their beneficial compounds by up to 50 to 70%. So what's the right way? How to unlock max benefits. Here's the simple method backed by food science. 1. Chop first. 2. Wait 30 to 40 minutes. 3. Then cook lightly or eat raw. Why? Because chopping activates myrosinase, giving it time to convert glucosinolates into active compounds before heat destroys the enzyme. Even better, light steaming preserves more compounds than boiling. Adding mustard seeds can restore enzyme activity after cooking. Sprouts are best eaten raw. This one habit can dramatically increase the biological impact of the same food. Let's be clear. No single food kills cancer. Cancer is complex. It involves genetics, environment, lifestyle, and more. But what you eat every day shapes the internal environment of your body. And cruciferous vegetables help support detoxification, cellular repair, antioxidant defense, inflammation control. These are all systems linked to long-term disease risk. So here's your takeaway. Start small. Add 1 or 2 of these vegetables to your meals this week. Try broccoli sprouts. Switch to purple cabbage. Throw arugula into your salad. And most importantly, prepare them the right way. Because sometimes, the difference between average nutrition and powerful nutrition is just a knife and 40 minutes. If you want more science-backed health strategies that are simple, practical, and powerful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because your daily habits, they matter more than you think, and the next video might just change the way you eat forever.